Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who we all love, but we forgot. So, Hare Krishna. Please offer obeisance to Srila Prabhupada, then to Sri Sri Gauranitai, then to your initiating guru, myself, and then I'll give you the beads and the name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All right, so do you want to tell me the four regulative principles? Do you want to say in English or in English? Okay, so please tell me.
No meat eating, fish and eggs, no gambling, no intoxication, and no illicit sex.
And how many rounds minimum of the
rounds.
Hare Krishna Maha Mantra are you going to chant every day? 16 rounds minimum. All right, give this. The name I'm giving is the name of a gopi in Vrindavan, and is often used to address Srimati Radhika also. The name is Priya Devidasi. Priya means who is very dear. Hare Krishna. Priya Devi Dasi. That's it. One small event and one big step. I want to give that. All right. Okay, so I guess the kirtan can go on, huh? Continue, kirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Big setup, just 1 minute. It's a big 1 minute. The most important minute of your life, of many lives. So, Hare Krishna. That kirtan can continue. Kirtan karaho shabe hate tale dia. Caitanya Mahaprabhu. Everyone chant, clap your hands. Kirtan karaho shabe hate tale dia.